On June 18, 2024, the glitz of pop royalty collided with the law when a gray BMW veering through Sag Harbor put Justin Timberlake in the crosshairs of a high-profile DWI stop. What began as a simple traffic correction quickly mutated into a career-altering encounter under the neon glow of police cruisers.
So the reason for the stop is because you keep veering off to the left, and then you're not stopping at the stop signs.
Yeah, sorry about that.
Is this your vehicle? Whose vehicle is it?
It's just a rental.
It's a rental? Okay. Do you have any registration with it? Do you know if they can put it in the glove box?
Let me check.
How long are you renting it for?
Just for a couple days.
What are you visiting?
Yeah, I'm on tour.
What are you doing?
I'm on a world tour.
A what?
A world tour.
Doing what?
Hard to explain. A world tour. I'm Justin Timberlake.
You are Justin Timberlake?
Yeah.
You have a license with you?
Yeah, I do.
And then when we do this, just like you're doing right now, arms feet together, arms by your side. You're doing it just now. I'm just going to re-explain it before we continue, okay? Arms by your side, feet together, and then you're going to keep your head straight and just keep your head straight. Only follow with your eyes, okay?
Okay.
You understand that?
All right. Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So left foot on the line. Left foot on the line first, and then you're going to put your right foot in front of your left. Stay just like that. Okay. You're going to heel to toe like this. Heel to toe. Up. Put your left foot on the line. Yep. You're going to have your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe.
Right here?
Okay, so we're going to put our left foot on the line first. Put your right foot in front of your left, heel to toe. And you can stay just like that, okay?
Okay.
Okay. So it's going to be a series of small, of 9 heel to toe steps. I will demonstrate this, like you're doing right now.
And then just walk. I'm sorry.
Here, ready?
I'm a little nervous.
Left.
I'm just...
3, all the way up to 9 back. This is going to be heel to toe. So you're going to be clicking your heels as you're going, arms by your side. While you're doing this, you're going to look down at your toes.
Guys, I'm just following my friends back to my house. I'm not doing anything. I'm just following my friends back to my house.
Will you do these tests?
Sure. 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000.
Yeah, we should do a couple tests to make sure you don't get your driver's
Remember, just continue. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Right, gotcha.
Sorry. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000. You want me to keep going?
Yep. Yeah.
Right foot in front. You're gonna look down. Ready? 1, 2,
Okay.
3,
Got you.
4. Like that,
So
okay? Hang on. Let me tell you when to go. Let me tell you when to go. You gotta tell me to start, okay?
Sorry.
No, you're good. Don't worry about it.
Sorry.
No, I want to make sure. We want to make sure you do this right.
Right foot in front of your left.
Is this my line?
Whichever
Perfect, yep.
imaginary line you make, that's the line you're going to walk. Until I tell you to stop, yep.
Okay. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, 3 1,000, 4 1,000, 5 1,000.
Alright, that's all good. Alright.
By the way, these are like really hard tests.
So the way this device works, you just put your left over it and you blow into it like you're blowing a balloon. No?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
The tension shifted from celebrity status to a sobriety struggle as the global superstar fumbled through field tests, forcing officers to ignore his world tour excuses and treat him like any other suspect. After a series of failed maneuvers, the handcuffs were snapped on, signaling the start of a massive legal battle.
Alright, at this point, based on observations, you're under arrest for suspicion of driving while intoxicated. That's what I do to spin around.
Guys, come on, man. Like, I'm just following my friends home.
Alright, just turn around for me, please. 9-7 headquarters, 132, 192.
Well, at this point,
I know my hair sucks here, but like I usually look at.
So at this point, he's coming with us. Okay?
No, he's not.
Yes, he is.
No, why?
He's arrested for intoxicated.
Stop it.
DWI. Yes.
No way.
Yes.
Don't say it.
Yes.
See?
Just come down with us. Okay? So you look like you're okay to drive. Okay? I don't see any. Your eyes look perfectly fine. Your speech isn't slurred.
You're
you're
arresting Justin Timberlake right now?
Yeah.
Stop it.
Yes.
Why?
He was driving drunk.
Right now, he's under arrest
Under arrest?
for driving while intoxicated.
Stop it. Justin Timberlake's under arrest. Can you help me, please? Can we do anything? Can you please stop it? I'll do anything.
No, it is what it is at this point, okay?
No, you can't, like, put him in jail.
He's going to be held for the night.
I can't take him home?
He's arraigned for the morning.
Okay, so my partner here, I don't know the details, obviously, I wasn't going to stop to. My partner here observed you, some kind of traffic violation, started a traffic stop, believed you had impairment, did a series of routine tests on you, right? Field sobriety tests, okay? You performed poorly on those, okay? Based off of his observations, you are intoxicated.
Okay.
So you were under arrest for DWI, okay?
There has to be a moment of talking.
No, not anymore.
Please help me!
Not anymore.
Hold on.
Okay?
So,
Hold on.
this
Can
is the registration of the vehicle. Just make sure it stays with the vehicle, okay?
I have his phone.
Yeah.
Yep.
Can you guys please just do me a favor because you loved Bye 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 or
I'm
like
happy-
Sexy Back?
so I'm
Like, do
happy-
me one favor. Let me ask him if he wants me to give him his phone.
Yeah.
This is insane.
So it's not going to be a long thing. I'll let you walk up real quick.
Please.
Okay.
Okay, awesome. All we're asking is if you understand what was just read to you.
Yeah, I hear you.
Perfect.
And what I'm going to do, I'm going to reread this again. We're going to go through the rest of it, but at this
No,
at
I
this
got
point,
you. I got you.
At this point, it asks for initials. If you don't want initial, you're not required to.
That you're doing that.
Appreciate that. Thank you.
Yeah. What was the traffic violation I missed?
I observed you.
Just so I know for future reference.
I observed you failing to fully stop at the stop sign, and then while you were driving, you failed to keep right on numerous occasions. So you're very.
Wait, start over? Sorry.
So
One more time?
you failed to stop at the stop sign, and then while you were operating the motor vehicle, you failed to keep right on your side of the roadway, and you continuously moved off and veered to the left of the roadway.
I appreciate your cooperation.
Yeah, man.
A lot of people don't cooperate like this, so it goes a long way in my book. I appreciate it.
Hey, can I ask you a question?
Yeah, happy to answer anything I can.
Is this the normal process?
Yeah, everything is pretty standard. Nothing out of the ordinary. We do this for everyone that gets arrested for DWI. It's just standard protocol.
Gotcha. I appreciate you boys for doing your job, man.
I appreciate that you understand that we got to do
Yeah,
our
I
thing.
appreciate you boys for doing your job. I had one martini and I followed my fucking friends home. And I appreciate you boys for doing your job. Yeah.
So you're being held for the night, and then in the morning is the arraignment. So in the morning, usually around 9:30.
Being held all night?
It might not be this one. You might be over at the other one, and they actually have blankets for you.
Yo, you guys are wild, man.
And again, like I said, you can make a phone call if you would like. The attorney and things like that, you're allowed to call right now if you wish, or you can call later.
Yeah, at any point you want to make a phone call, let us know.
Yeah.
Right.
You are entitled to have phone calls.
The date was June 18, 2024, and at 1:21 a.m., the world of pop royalty collided with the reality of the law in Sag Harbor, New York. Officers initiated a stop after spotting a gray BMW veering off the road and blowing through stop signs. Behind the wheel was none other than Justin Timberlake. When questioned about his erratic driving, the singer famously informed the officers he was currently on a world tour, seemingly unaware of the gravity of the situation. The encounter quickly shifted to a field sobriety test, where Bodycam footage captured the star struggling to maintain his balance and follow basic instructions. After a series of failed maneuvers, Timberlake was placed under arrest for suspicion of driving while intoxicated. Even as he refused a chemical breath test and subtly hinted at his celebrity status for special treatment, the officers made it clear he was being treated like anyone else. Ultimately, Timberlake pleaded guilty to impaired driving, resulting in a license suspension and community service. Subscribe for more videos and witness the raw reality of high-profile arrests with Bodycam Real Files. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a new upload.